In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view exported lists in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the exports created from your domain portfolio, so you can quickly review what's been generated without digging around your account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. This ensures you're signing in securely and landing on the correct dashboard. Once the site loads, sign into your account. If you use two-step verification, complete that as usual. After you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your username. That opens a quick menu that helps you navigate to the parts of your account you use most. From that menu, select My Products. This brings you to a consolidated view of everything in your account. It's a good place to verify you're in the right profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts or portfolios. In the Domains area, choose the domain you want to work on. Even though exported lists relate to your overall portfolio, selecting the domain keeps your context clear as you move to the domain manager. Next, click Manage All. This takes you into the main domain manager, where you can see your portfolio in one place. The layout may vary slightly over time, but the core navigation remains similar. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all menu options are available. Inside the Domain Manager, find and click Settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon or labeled as Settings along the top or side, depending on your view. The Settings area centralizes portfolio controls and tools that aren't tied to just one domain. Within Settings, click Exported Lists. This is where GoDaddy stores the lists you've previously exported, usually CSV files that include details like domain names, expiration dates, or other attributes you selected when creating the export. Here, you can view the exports that have been created, along with helpful details such as the name of the list, when it was generated, and its current status. If you don't see anything, it likely means no export has been created yet under this account or profile. That's all there is to it. Search for GoDaddy, sign in, go to My Products, pick your domain, open Manage All, head into Settings, and then Exported Lists. With this path, you can reliably find your previously generated portfolio exports whenever you need to review them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you locate your exported lists quickly and confidently.